Need to remove unwanted edges or black bars from a video. HandBrake includes cropping controls that let you trim the visible frame before encoding. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crop videos in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to crop and wait for HandBrake to load it. Before cropping, take a quick look at the original frame so you know which areas you want to remove. Next, open the dimensions or picture settings. Look for the cropping controls, where you can adjust the top, bottom, left, and right edges of the video. These controls determine how much of the original frame will be removed. Now enter the amount you want to crop from each side. For example, you might remove unwanted black bars from the top and bottom while leaving the sides unchanged. Make small adjustments and check the preview so you don't accidentally remove important parts of the video. After cropping, check the new dimensions and aspect ratio. Make sure the main subject stays inside the visible frame and the video doesn't look stretched. Take a moment to review the preview before moving on to the encoding settings. Next, open the Video tab and review the encoder and quality settings. Cropping changes the visible frame, while these settings control how the final video is encoded. If you're also trying to reduce file size, cropping can help remove unnecessary pixels, but the final size still depends heavily on the encoding settings. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish. When it's done, play the new video and check that the unwanted areas are gone and the important content is still visible. So you've successfully cropped your video using HandBrake, and that's how to crop videos in HandBrake. Open your video, adjust the crop values, check the new frame, review your encoding settings, and start the encode. Once you get comfortable with the crop controls, removing black bars and unwanted edges becomes really simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.